Hello, Wellness Warriors. Today's video is all about unlocking the incredible benefits of collagen for a radiant and robust you. Think of collagen as your body's superhero. It's the protein responsible for keeping your skin supple, your hair glossy, and your joints nimble. Wondering how to make this superhero a regular in your diet? We've got you covered with some delicious and easy-to-follow tips on incorporating collagen-rich foods into your meals. From collagen-packed recipes to snack ideas that will make your taste buds dance, we're serving up a feast for your health. Stick around for insider diet tips that will not only elevate your collagen game but also leave you feeling amazing. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just curious about the latest wellness trends, join us on this journey to discover the magic of a collagen-infused lifestyle. Let's dive in and elevate your well-being together. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-rich liquid that is made by simmering animal bones, connective tissues, and sometimes vegetables and herbs in water for an extended period. This slow cooking process allows the bones and tissues to release various compounds, including collagen, minerals, and amino acids, into the broth. Here are some details about bone broth and its collagen content. 1. Collagen content. Connective tissues. Bones and connective tissues, such as ligaments and tendons, are rich in collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body and is crucial for the structural integrity of skin, hair, nails, bones, and joints. Gelatin formation. During the simmering process, collagen in the bones is broken down into gelatin. Gelatin is a substance that provides a jelly-like consistency to the broth and offers additional benefits for joint health and digestion. 2. Types of bone broth. Chicken bone broth, made from chicken bones, often including the carcass, feet, and neck. Chicken bones are known for their collagen-rich cartilage. Beef bone broth, typically made from beef bones, marrow bones, and knuckle bones. It has a robust flavor and is known for its collagen and mineral content. Fish bone broth, made from fish heads, bones, and sometimes the skin. Fish broth tends to have a milder flavor and is a quicker option to prepare compared to beef or chicken broth. 3. Nutrient profile. Amino acids. Bone broth contains essential amino acids, including glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These amino acids are crucial for collagen synthesis and overall protein metabolism. Minerals. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus are leached from the bones during cooking, contributing to the nutritional profile of the broth. 4. Health benefits. Joint health. Collagen and gelatin in bone broth may support joint health by providing building blocks for cartilage and reducing inflammation. Gut health. The gelatin in bone broth is thought to be beneficial for the digestive tract by supporting the integrity of the gut lining. Skin, hair, and nails. Collagen is often associated with improved skin elasticity, hair strength, and nail health. 5. How to make bone broth. Ingredients: bones, chicken, beef, or fish, water, vegetables, optional, and herbs, optional. Simmering time. Bone broth is typically simmered for several hours, ranging from 4 to 24 hours, to extract maximum nutrients. Straining. After simmering, the broth is strained to remove solid particles, leaving a clear liquid. Incorporating homemade bone broth into your diet is a flavorful and nutritious way to boost your collagen intake and enjoy a variety of health benefits. 2. Chicken skin. Chicken skin is often overlooked or removed due to concerns about its fat content, but it contains valuable nutrients, including collagen. Here are some details about the collagen content in chicken skin and why leaving it on during cooking can be beneficial. 1. Collagen content. Rich in collagen, chicken skin is rich in collagen, a structural protein that provides strength and elasticity to tissues such as skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones. Collagen types. Chicken skin contains various types of collagen, including type 1 and type 3 collagen, which are crucial for skin health and elasticity. 2. Nutrient density. Vitamins and minerals. Chicken skin also contains vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins like niacin and riboflavin, as well as essential minerals like phosphorus. Healthy fats. While chicken skin does contain fats, it also includes healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, contributing to a balanced nutrient profile. 3. Cooking benefits. Retains moisture. Leaving the skin on chicken while cooking helps to retain moisture. This can result in a juicier and more flavorful dish. Enhances texture. When properly cooked, chicken skin becomes crispy, adding a delightful texture to the dish. This can enhance the overall eating experience. 4. Tips for cooking chicken skin. Seasoning. Season the skin with herbs and spices to add flavor and complement the natural taste of the chicken. Crispy texture. For crispy chicken skin, ensure the skin is dry before cooking. Pat the skin with paper towels to remove excess moisture. 5. Health considerations. Portion control. While chicken skin can be a source of healthy fats and collagen, it's essential to practice portion control. Consuming excessive amounts of chicken skin may contribute to a higher calorie intake. Preparation methods. Opt for healthier cooking methods, such as roasting or grilling, to preserve the nutritional quality of the chicken skin. 6. Culinary applications. Roast chicken. Roasting a whole chicken with the skin on is a popular and delicious way to enjoy the benefits of chicken skin. Chicken thighs and drumsticks. Cooking chicken thighs or drumsticks with the skin on can enhance both the flavor and texture of the dish. 3. Fish. Fish, including both the flesh and certain parts like bones and skin, can be excellent sources of collagen. Here are some details about the collagen content in fish, with a focus on species like salmon and sardines known for their higher collagen content. 1. Collagen in fish. Types of collagen. Fish contain different types of collagen, primarily type 1 collagen, which is similar to the collagen found in human skin and connective tissues. Distribution. Collagen is present in various parts of the fish, including the skin, bones, scales, and connective tissues. 2. Fish with higher collagen content. Salmon. Salmon is known for having higher collagen levels, particularly in its skin. Collagen in salmon contributes to its firm texture and is also associated with potential health benefits. Sardines. Sardines are another fish variety that is rich in collagen, especially in the skin and bones. Consuming whole or canned sardines with skin and bones can provide additional collagen and other nutrients. 3. Nutritional benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids. In addition to collagen, fish like salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and are beneficial for heart and brain health. Protein. Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein, supporting muscle health and overall body function. Minerals. Consuming fish with bones, such as canned salmon with bones, provides additional minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for bone health. 4. Cooking methods. Grilling and baking. Grilling or baking fish with the skin on can help retain collagen and enhance flavor. Canning. Canned fish, especially varieties with bones and skin intact, can be a convenient and accessible way to incorporate collagen into your diet. 5. Incorporating fish into your diet. Whole fish. Opt for whole fish or fillets with skin and bones for maximum collagen intake. Fish broth. Similar to bone broth, fish broth can be made by simmering fish bones and other parts. This broth is rich in collagen and can be used as a base for soups and stews. 6. Dietary considerations. Sustainability. Choose sustainable and responsibly sourced fish to support ecological balance and minimize environmental impact. Variety. Include a variety of fish in your diet to ensure a diverse range of nutrients. 4. Egg whites. While egg whites themselves do not contain collagen, they contribute to collagen synthesis through the presence of certain amino acids, most notably proline. Here are the details about egg whites and their role in supporting collagen production. 1. Amino acid composition. Proline. Egg whites are a good source of the amino acid proline. Proline is a non-essential amino acid, meaning the body can produce it on its own. However, obtaining proline through the diet can still be beneficial for collagen formation. 2. Proline and collagen synthesis. Collagen structure. Proline is a crucial component in the structure of collagen. It plays a significant role in the formation of collagen's triple helix structure, providing stability to the protein. Hydroxyproline conversion. In the body, proline can be converted into hydroxyproline, another amino acid essential for collagen stability. This conversion process is essential for the synthesis of collagen fibers. 3. Collagen formation in the body. Protein synthesis. Collagen is a fibrous protein made up of amino acids, including proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline. Cellular processes. The body synthesizes collagen through a complex process involving various cellular mechanisms. Proline, as one of the amino acid building blocks, is incorporated into the growing collagen chains during this process. 4. Dietary incorporation. Egg white protein. Egg whites are a rich source of high-quality protein, and including them in your diet provides not only proline but also other essential amino acids necessary for overall protein synthesis and cellular function. Versatile ingredient. Egg whites can be easily incorporated into various dishes, such as omelets, scrambles, or used as an ingredient in baking and cooking. 5. Nutritional profile. Low in fat and calories. Egg whites are low in fat and calories, making them a suitable choice for individuals focused on lean protein intake. Complete protein. Egg whites are considered a complete protein as they contain all essential amino acids in the right proportions. 6. Culinary applications. Meringues. Whipping egg whites can create stable foams that are commonly used in desserts like meringues, showcasing the versatility of egg whites in culinary applications. Protein shakes. Egg white protein is available in a powdered form and can be added to protein shakes or smoothies. 5. Lean meat. Lean meats, such as beef and pork, are excellent sources of amino acids, including glycine and proline, which play vital roles in collagen synthesis and overall protein metabolism. Here are the details. 1. Amino acids in lean meat. Glycine. Glycine is a non-essential amino acid that is abundant in collagen. It serves as a building block for collagen, contributing to its structure and stability. Proline. Proline is another amino acid crucial for collagen synthesis. It assists in the formation of collagen's triple helix structure, providing strength to the protein. 2. Collagen synthesis. Structural protein. Collagen is a fibrous and structural protein found in connective tissues, skin, bones, and tendons. It is composed of various amino acids, with glycine and proline being particularly important for its structure. Cellular processes. Collagen synthesis is a complex process that occurs within the body's cells. Amino acids obtained from dietary sources, including lean meats, are used in these processes to create and repair collagen fibers. 3. Benefits of glycine and proline. Skin health. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. Adequate intake of glycine and proline from lean meats supports the body's ability to produce collagen, contributing to healthy and vibrant skin. Joint health. Collagen is a major component of joints and tendons. Consuming lean meats provides the necessary amino acids for collagen synthesis, promoting joint health and flexibility. Connective tissues. Collagen is present in various connective tissues, including ligaments and cartilage. Glycine and proline help ensure the integrity and strength of these tissues. 4. Nutrient profile of lean meats. High-quality protein. Lean meats are rich in high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle maintenance, repair, and overall body function. Vitamins and minerals. Lean meats also provide essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, such as B6 and B12, iron, zinc, and phosphorus, which contribute to overall health. 5. Cooking methods. Grilling and roasting. Lean meats can be prepared using healthier cooking methods like grilling or roasting to retain their nutritional content. Trimming visible fat. To keep lean meats low in saturated fats, it's advisable to trim visible fats before cooking. 6. Incorporating lean meats into your diet. Variety of sources. In addition to beef and pork, consider incorporating lean meats like poultry, chicken or turkey, and lean cuts of lamb into your diet. Balanced diet. Lean meats should be part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods, such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the world of collagen-rich foods. We hope you found these insights valuable for your health journey. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on wellness and nutrition, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to having you with us on future videos. Remember, a healthier you starts with small, positive changes in your lifestyle. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, take care and be well.